installing your brake sensor, you get your little lip and you plug it in, not this side but the right side. You snap it in just like that. Snaps right in. Alright. And you bring it on through. Right. You bring it all the way through. Clip it onto here. Clip it onto there. Bring it around to the back. It's gonna feed behind here, and then through there, right here, and all the way up to this box. Sensor. Pull that out and push this top part in. Push that top part in. Good. Once you pull it out, push it to the side. Get your new one. Plug it back in. Right? Flip out, that plugs in there. Boom. Now that's clipped together, push together, you put it back in its socket as such. That's how it fits in. Alright. Now we put it through here. Yeah. And then you put it through here. And you should be good to go. Got all that extra play. That's how you install your sensor. Shazam! You close that back up. Once that's closed up, then you're all set. Make sure everything's cleared. Alright, so what you do is you start your car without the brake. You let it cycle through. You let it cycle through. When it's done cycling, then you hold down this button. You're supposed to do it immediately after, so we gotta do it again, I think. Alright, power button. Let it cycle through. Hold down this button over here. All right, well, that's supposed to do that. So the next thing what you need to do is grab your scanner tool, whatever I did with that. your scanner tool. I'll put it in the link in the description so you can order yours. You just get it, plug it up, and the ECU. I'm trying to do without going out the car, but you get your ECU reader and you stick it up in here. Alright, once it's in there, I'll have the link in the description so you can get yours and use the app. Put the car in auxiliary mode. I gotta put air in my tire. Alright, once you reset it from the ECU, your brake indicator will be off. Now just add some air in your tires because it's getting cold outside. When the temperature drops, the air pressure in your tire drops, FYI. So check your tires for safety. See you later, guys. Check your next video. Please subscribe, please, and comment. I will answer back within 24 to 48, max 72 hours. I got a life too. You know, we all got our issues and positive things and things we got going on. So just let me know what I can do to help in the comment box. Click on the links for the ECU reader, code reader. You can do all your services. You can find the app too. Everything in the description to help you be self-sufficient, save yourself money because you're doing your own work and you know it's done right. Love you guys.